And you are live. Can you guys hear me? Hello, hello. Trying to figure out how this streaming stuff works actually. But I think we should be good to go now. Okay, we got two people. Let me see if the camera is... I think my camera is kind of stuck. Okay, anyways, guys, we'll take a look at some stuff. Six people are watching. Maybe give us one more minute. And I'm not sure if I get my camera to work again. And by the way, can you maybe post in the chat if you prefer English or German? We can also switch to Deutsch. Okay, you understand both. Ich kann auch Deutsch reden. Ah, man sieht die Kamera jetzt sogar, ne? Okay. Okay, then I'll talk English. One more test if the robot is actually working. Yeah, the camera is working. I'm so glad. Image. It's kind of weird talking to myself. I've never done this before. So apologize if the quality is not so good or if I'm acting kind of stupid with the streaming. Just installed OBS Studio yesterday, 2 days ago. Okay, so let's get right into this. So what are we trying to do? We are trying to link a robot with IOTA payments, and therefore we need JavaScript, Python. We created M2M module. If you had seen this website here, and there's a demo and GitHub code, open source code, how to create IOTA machine wallets with a dedicated IOTA payment module that you can install quite easily, quite to every use case. Okay, so let's start. 1 sec. In Dubot Studio, which is kind of an IDE for the robot on the left side, you can connect it. Then there's a gripper with a pen. And you can open an SVG file, pictures. No. Let's take the IOTA logo. You can see it right here. Convert bitmap to SVG, plot it to the main scene. And it's now connected to the do board. I need to adjust the position. And click start. And then the robot starts to paint the IOTA logo. Of course, this is manual, and what we try to achieve is we wanted to start the robot linked to an IOTA payment. So we made an own machine wallet for the robot, and we will show you after this how it works. The robot is waiting then for some payment, and as soon as the payment arrives, the robot starts automatically to do a job. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. A little bit more to the left. All right, 21 people watching at the moment. Any questions? Just post in the chat whatever you want to ask. Two people already left. So this use case for the robot to paint something is obviously just one use case. It is also a gripper, a laser head, a 3D printer, so you can make all kinds of use cases and jobs with it. Yeah, so the question in the chat is why does it paint this way? So I think it's just scanning the file from top to bottom. So whatever the next item is that it thinks is next from top to bottom, it just starts doing that. So it's not like a human logic from left to right. And it's upside down, obviously. Okay, you can already prepare your Trinity wallet, because after that we are going to do, of course, some JavaScript and Python, and I'm going to show a QR code where you can send one IOTA to start a job from any one of you. Okay, job is finished. Oh, kind of super bright. So this is the final result, what the printer has done. Okay, now we switch to our code. I can disconnect this, close this. Right. So this program, some people join, some people are leaving. No worries. I hope people. So I will keep this online afterwards, although we are just doing kind of freestyle here. So let me run you through the JavaScript code. So the payment module is something that Akita has developed because every project is starting over and over again to generate a seed, generate an address, do all these basics. So our payment module is taking care of everything. And this is running in JavaScript, and the Python integration is for the robot because the robot is controlled by Python. Okay, and then we also made a script here in Python because there's an API how to talk to the robot without the IDE. And then I tried to paint an IOTA letters with manually navigating through the coordinate system. So you can see here the X and the Y values and the Z values, which is hoch for above the table. And if there's the variable tish, then the pencil is actually on the table and drawing from one point to the next point on this coordinate system. So if we just run this Python script to show you what we want to do, Python script.py. Oh, I messed it up a little bit. You have to be careful that the paper is not moved. So this is the Python script, and now we are not starting the script manually, but we are starting the node server.js. I need to go to my local host. Oh, sorry. Let me start this over again. So what we created here is a QR code that the machine wallet of this robot is displaying and is awaiting payment. So let's do it again. Little countdown, 5, da 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 da. Let's inspect this element. Control, console, object, data. So payment created, please pay 1 IOTA to the provided address, and the address is actually the address. TW9EO. That's what you get when you scan the QR code. So you can see that the address has been published, and now if anybody wants to scan, let me sorry. Close this. So scan this address, or we can also use what you had before. Address. So let me copy this. 1 sec. So I'll post the address also in the chat if you don't have Trinity on your phone. And in our terminal, we can now see if anybody is paying. And as soon as somebody sends a transaction, we are going to see that there's an inbound transaction, and then it will also wait until the transaction is confirmed. We can also go check out the tangle.org, IOTA Explorer, and see, oh, there is somebody sent cool beans. Incoming transaction. As soon as it's confirmed with the next milestone, then the robots should start drawing IOTA again. Cool beans is mine. Thanks, Dort Bakaria, if I pronounce it correctly. Okay, you can still see it's pending, and our code is checking every few seconds. It's still incoming, but not confirmed. Now it's confirmed. Successful. And you can see the robot starts automatically to do the job. I thought it's a fake name, but still you want to pronounce it correctly, right? Okay, so let's do another test, and refresh the front end one more time. And our payment module recognizes now that this address is used, generates a new address, because obviously you can't use addresses, or you can use them again. But anyways, we want to create a new address so we don't have a conflict here. You can see there's a new address. I will also copy paste it into the chat, and somebody else can also try. You can print real fiat money with it, probably, yeah, as it's like a real fiat, kind of a paradox in itself. Okay, so you can see again in the code, the JavaScript is still running, waiting for a new payment. Let's check out our new address on the Tango. Okay, somebody else wants to spend 1 IOTA, not 1 IOTA, but actually only 1 IOTA. A millionth of one of about 25 cents at the moment, right? I'm not sure what the price is currently. Somebody on Twitter, oh yeah, by the way, we are going to randomly choose somebody to win the 100 IOTA from my Twitter tweet yesterday. Incoming transaction. And also, guys, please check if you have your quality on 270 pixel HD. Otherwise, it will be really hard to see something. Pen name. So it looks like 2 people have actually sent something to this address now, if I'm not mistaken. And to be honest, we have not tested yet. The other one is a 0 transaction. Let's make the lighting a little bit more exciting. Payment success. And the robot starts doing the job again. Oh, wow. So lots of people are actually sending something now, but you can see only 1 transaction is confirmed. So you're helping right now to do some kind of back testing for this software, because we haven't really tested it yet. So only this transaction is confirmed. Oxynon. YDX, hi. Nice to see you here too. We can do another round. We can make kind of a challenge out of it. Who is the fastest to post something? Okay, let's too dark. Okay, let's change the light again. Okay, so I will hit the refresh button on our front end on the machine wallet of the robot, and then whoever whoever is the first one to, oh, 1 second. I see many transactions are confirmed now. So we need to fix that, obviously, that only one IOTA can be confirmed and the other ones will be denied. Let's make a challenge anyways. So one more time. Um, okay. I will not. Okay, I will actually. I will paste also the address in the chat. Otherwise, it's unfair. Objects, data, payment address. Okay, are you ready? 5 second countdown starts now. Let's go. Let me find the address real quick. Payment address. The winner will get 10 IOTA from me, just for fun. There you go, in the chat. QR code is gone, I'm sorry. It's probably already something happening. You want more videos from me? That's flattering. I'm not really comfortable doing this, but I thought we would give some live insight about stuff that Akita is doing. Okay, so everybody's checking again. So who will be the first one to confirm it though? Incoming, incoming, incoming. In the meantime, while we wait for the first confirmation, you guys can also send me a link to an SVG file, and then we can go back into the robot studio and print also something else. Incoming, incoming, incoming. Maybe all three. There are 3 pending transactions. Maybe all 3 will be with the next milestone confirmed at the same time. Maybe not. Let's try light from this side. Maybe it's better. Incoming, incoming. So we're all waiting for the milestone to be confirmed. Still pending. Probably everybody send it right after the last milestone. So sometimes then you're little bit out of luck. Now we have success. Untangle the seam. Oh, okay. Oxynon, send again. Who is this one? This guy didn't use the message, so it's empty. And here we have a reattachment. It's Mishi. Oh, and we have a fourth one coming in also. I'll check after this video who was actually the first one confirmed. Or we can check the timer. 2 minutes. This one didn't work. 3 minutes and 2 seconds ago. So I think the guy without the message is actually was the first one. Guy or girl. Okay, so that's it basically what I wanted to show for today. We can do some fun stuff and just let the robot paint something else, or we can call it a day. Can you just quickly say in the chat if we should? Can you grab the first 9 letter spaces in the message field of the transaction? Yeah, I can do that. Message fields. Which transaction are we talking about though? And there's going to be lots of future. Actually, there are already other use cases that we are trying to do with this payment module combined with JavaScript, combined with Python. Okay. So for a real Python script, I would have to really check the coordinates. But if I wanna make it quick for this, I will just use the DoBot IDE. Oh, nope. This should be fine. Mishi, I'll just choose Mishi plus IOTA. Before was better, right? Nope. Sorry, let me change that again. Okay. And start. It was a very close call. I almost drew on my table. Right, guys, there you go. I think when 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 this job is done, we can call it a day, and you can contact me on Discord, Telegram, Akita blog, Twitter. Make suggestions for other projects. If you have better experience in live streaming, I'm open to learn stuff and make it better. So let's check the comments again. Yeah, you could also control the robot, um, reading the messages and then just painting a community picture. That was actually the idea from somebody in our team, from our main developer at the moment. Yeah, it's definitively possible. Transaction with text comes in, and then you could convert the text into a variable, control the robot to move or to paint something or to laser engrave something, to grab a cup of coffee and move it from left to right. Yeah. So the key part here is actually that you have an IOTA payment that is linked to a machine process, and the machine process is completely automated based on an incoming transaction that is confirmed. So any kind of use case where a machine is waiting for payment to do something, you can basically do it with the same setup that we have just used. Okay. Thank you guys. I hope you had a great Halloween. Oh, we need to pick a winner for the Twitter challenge. I was thinking about writing a short program to pick somebody, but I think I will just randomly through the comments. How many comments do we have? Almost 200 comments. It's crazy. Okay, so I will just scroll down and then just stop at a random post, and that person gets 100 IOTA. Yeah. Okay. So Pac-Man is the winner. I don't know, I just scrolled down and stopped at a random position. I'll copy that and send another IOTA in a second. Thank you guys. As I said, connect me on social, and yeah, trying to keep this up and keep you in the loop what Akita is doing. Have a great evening. Maybe Pac-Man is not a good choice. Maybe you're right. Let's take the next one who has at least coordicate. Okay. Better choice. I know it's super random how I just chose the winner, but okay, that should be fine. All right, Oxynon. Thank you guys. Have a nice evening. Have a great weekend. See you soon. Bye.